In this video, we are going to look at screen share. So screen share is how you wirelessly connect from your computer, how you wirelessly connect students to the panel, or how you can connect your iPad to the panel. So these are all of your options for connecting wirelessly. We are going to focus here to start because you guys have Windows devices. So you have two options to screen share or wirelessly connect to the panel. Option number one is going to be an app that you can download to your computer. Option number two is direct casting from your computer to the panel. So we're going to look at both of these. We're going to start with that direct casting. So you are already probably doing this to connect your computer to your projector. It is when you click Windows key K on your computer and all of the options appear in the right-hand corner. Now, in order for the panel to appear as one of your options to connect to, you first have to open screen share on the panel. So we're going to click our flame button, applications, screen share. This is going to open our floating screen share application. And notice that the code in my screen share box is the same code that it's giving me right here. So that's the one you're looking for because multiple of them might appear if there are classrooms near you. So make sure you're connecting to the right one. You'll also notice here that there's this checkbox. It says allow mouse, keyboard, etc. You want to make sure that you click that checkbox. That ensures that you will have what we call touchback, so that you will be able to control your computer from the panel. And you won't have to be going back and forth from your computer to the panel to just simply change a slide or do something. You will have full control just at the panel. You can leave your computer maybe in the back of the room. So once you have connected, everything will appear in the screen share box. Now, it will look something like this. You will see a little 1 here when you're connected, and then you will see your name. How you get from here to here is you click this little people. That's going to take you to your waiting room, and then you're going to be able to see who's all in your waiting room. If it's just you, great. Notice this purple little dot next to my name. That means I clicked that checkbox. That means I have touchback. So now you could tap your name. You will see your computer screen. You will have a green box around it, and you are good to go. Control your computer, pull up whatever you need to do. Now, your second option is the Screen Share app. It looks like this. You are able to download it to your computer. When you open the app, it asks, what is your code? So that means we have to open screen share on the panel in order to get our code. So then we can type in our code here, type in our name, and then there's that little checkbox again. Make sure you check it and click enter waiting room. This is what it looks like once you have entered the waiting room. And then you can go to your panel and see your name here and let yourself in, and you're good to go. So either way, that is how you're going to cast to the panel from your computer. Now, if you would like students to connect, because as you saw, you have quite a few waiting room places. So easiest way for students to connect is going to be the Chrome extension. Now, notice here it says touchback is not supported. So that means that they can just cast their computer. They will not be able to control their computer from the panel. So this is an extension that they can get in their Chrome. Easily share to the panel should you want them to. You can share up to 4 devices at one time if you would like to see multiple student devices at once. Now, mobile devices. So this is going to be an iPad. If you would like to share an iPad, you will most likely want to use the Promethean mobile app. That's something that you can download to the iPad, and it's going to look like this. You will either just click screen share, you can do that. But if you want, you can sign in to your account just using your Metro sign in, how you sign into the panel, so that it's you down here if you want. But same way, you're put in your code, and then in your waiting room, it will be your iPad. And then you can mirror your iPad, and that way you can have maybe mobile apps, or you can be a little untethered from the panel that way. Now, if you don't want to use this mobile app, you can also AirPlay or screen mirror to the panel. But most of the time, the mobile app is going to work the best for iPads. So that is your process for screen sharing to the panel.